vehicle? Check out 2016 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, steel wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror, wheel covers. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.